Well, I have a really good friend that, well, he's become a friend. I'll call him a friend. He may see this and be like, dude, I'm not your friend. And he has this mantra, people over profit. And that really impacted me. It really made it made me think about what it is that, and how I view the people that I work with. And I really love that mantra because everybody knows that I care less about money than I do the people that I work with. And so what is the culture like? Well, I would hope that the first word that comes to people's mind is family.